Alright, all diggers, welcome back, my digging friends. It is getting close to Christmas. Saturday, December 10th, 2022. A nice 41 degrees. I have Casey with me today digging. She's having fun, and I'm going down beneath the layers. We're going about 7 foot down as we speak. Finally getting to decent stuff. All screw tops above. This just fell out of the wall. And yes, I've already rubbed it off, so it's not sitting in situ. But I've never seen that one before. What does everybody think about that one? How cool. We're going to keep digging. This area right in here, it's been collapsing, so we'll get back with you. Hope everybody's doing great digging themselves, and maybe we can all dig till Christmas.